y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing a Lisa Frank inspired leopard, and this is hands down my favorite look that I have filmed so far, and I think it's going to be my favorite out of the whole 13 days because if I could be a character, I feel like it would definitely be this with all of the pink, and y'all know I love leopard print, so I absolutely love this look. So I'm starting off by just painting my face this yellow color. It kind of ends up looking a little green once I get it all over, but don't worry, it's all going to come together really nicely. So after I just apply this, I'm going to go back in with a sponge and just even everything out. I did use a yellow cream paint, so once I finished up with that, I set everything with a translucent setting powder, and now I'm going in with some pink and purple eyeshadows from that same Morphe palette that I used for the Cheshire Cat, the 39S, and I'm just doing a little bit of contouring. I thought my face was looking a little too yellow still, so I'm adding a couple orange shades from another Morphe palette. This one is from the 3503, and I'm just placing it everywhere where the yellow is showing. As you can see, it is already starting to look so much better. So now I'm just going to go in with those same orange shades and tone down the yellow even more. And y'all, don't worry if you're doing a Halloween look and it doesn't turn out like you want it to. Just have fun. Don't stress about it. I never plan out my looks. I kind of do, but as you can see, it did not go according to plan today. It was too yellow, so I just improvised. And that's all that you have to do. Just keep going and have fun with it. So I just brightened up the purple and pink contour a little bit, and now I'm contouring my nose, and then I'm going to do eyeshadow. I decided to go ahead and do one pink eye and one purple eye, but as always you can make this your own. Next, I'm taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline, and then I'm going to do my favorite part of the look, the eyebrows. I decided to do both of mine pink because pink is my favorite color, but you could do them both purple, or if you wanted, you could do the two different colors like you do the eyeshadow. Some more eyeliner to the bottom right along my lash line, and now I'm taking a liquid liner and lining the top, and I'm making the corners kind of more pointed. Next, I'm going to draw on my nose with some black paint. I wanted it to be a little bit lighter underneath my nose where my whiskers are going to go, so now I'm just using some white paint to do that. Using that same black paint I used for my nose, I'm taking a skinny eyeliner brush and drawing on my spots. And y'all know I had to glam this one up too with some false lashes. You of course do not have to do this. You can just add some mascara if you want. And now I'm applying Man Eater mascara to my lower lashes. To finish off the look, I'm using a MAC lipstick. This one is called Candy Yum Yum, but that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.